Hello. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. As part of the today's session, I just want to show you how exactly we can create a test account in JIRA, which we are going to use it for our API testing purpose. So I'm navigating to this particular URL, and this URL I'm going to share you for your reference as well. And I'm just clicking on this, the next button. So here is a place where exactly we need to choose you want to go with your Gmail registration or you want to go with an email registration. So what I'm doing right now means I have chosen my email as an option. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm using a mailinator, which is a public email ID for this testing purpose. So here the problem is whatever the test accounts we are creating here in JIRA will expire at some point of time. That's the reason what I'm going to do now means I'm using a mailinator, which is a public email ID. I'm just creating my account out over there. And with that account, I'm just completing my sign up functionality. That's it. I'm not doing beyond that. Okay. So it is saying that Surendra email ID is already exists. Okay, that's fine. So here, what I'm going to do right now is okay, Surendra APM12. I just want to create Surendra APM12 an email ID. Yes. So let me get this particular email ID from here and let me go back and let me try to sign up with this email ID. Surendra APM12@mailinator.com, and I'm giving my name as a Surendra Jagannathan. That's it. And I'm clicking on this agree button. So here, whenever you perform a sign up functionality confirmation email, so this mailinator email, we can use it just for a confirmation purpose itself. On top of it, we don't have any activity that is being planned with this particular email. So that's the reason I'm just using a public email ID and I'm just completing my verification purpose where I'm creating my account here with a password. So I'm giving my account as a new pass @123 and I'm performing my sign up functionality. Okay, so here is my email ID for these accounts. So this is what the URL is, and this is what the username is, and this is what the password that I have created. It's up to you guys. Even you can use any one of the account, whatever you want. And here it's asking us to choose our customized site. So here I'm choosing my customized site as Learn by Yourself, Suren. Okay, learn by yourself, Suren. This is the customized website. So it means learn by yourself, Suren @ or atlassian.com is the URL that it's going to generate for us. So this site is available and I'm just clicking on this agree button right now. So whenever we clicked on this agree button, a new account it's being created for me. So this is the account where in which I just want to perform this operation. So here it's asking with some kind of a questions. I just want to skip these questions. Okay, I don't want to deal with these questions at all. It will take a few seconds to build our account. Let's wait for a minute. And once this account got created, within an account, you will create an agile based Scrum project in that. With that, we are done with the configuration. So in the upcoming session, whatever the project we have created, we are going to use that particular project or the complete information on that project level itself. Okay, guys, good. Let's wait for a minute until this account creation got completed. This is the next screen that it's going to populate. I'm just using a skip button for now. I don't want to do anything here. And I'm giving my project name. So here my project name that I'm giving out over here is Learn by Yourself. And I'm choosing a Scrum project and I'm creating it. Okay, so I'm just creating a project here. That's it. This is the project that you have created. I don't want to select anything directly. It will be navigated to that particular screen. And if at all you wanna invite any team members, you can invite that. If you don't want to call anyone, you don't need to specify those email IDs out over there. This is what the project that it's going to populate. And in the next session, what are we going to do means from this particular project, you will be navigating to the account settings to get the API token information and other details. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.